How are you? Welcome to A Better Path Coming Soon University. This is your English class. Topic today, vocabulary. All right, we are confusing the universe with our words. So we are removing words from our lexicon and replacing them with something else, whatever we want. So today's word is left. Left and left. Okay? So I found that we have a left that means depart, abandon, quit, right? Depart, abandon, quit. It's the past tense of the word leave, to leave, right? So you say I left. Go away from. So that's what left means. Left, when you go away from. And then we also have left, which is a position or a direction. All right? So if a person or thing is facing north and you are to the west side, you are on the left. That's what the dictionary said. Yeah, that's what it says in Google. But we know that you just say, make a left right here, or your left hand, right? And then you also have the word left, which means to go away from. So, the universe is confused. Yes, it is. Can we change the word left to quit? I think it's a good word for it. Go away from. I quit. And live left for direction. Because we already have it for left hand and right hand. We're stuck with that. Leave right for right, left. That was our lesson, our previous lesson. Right, left, right, left, right, left. So if we're gonna go away from something, instead of saying left, well, I was thinking the word is leave. It's not even left. So why didn't it just say leaved if it's past tense? Couldn't it just say leaved? We would have got used to it like everything else. Like everybody knows this is green. This color is green. We would have get used to it. Leaved with the ed at the end. It's to confuse us. To confuse the universe. The English language is very confused. So we're going to stick to it. We're going to find all the words and eliminate them from our lexicon. Alright? So I love you. And I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment what word, to go away from. Left. Can we say quit? It'll make more sense. Ciao.